If you've ever felt nervous or lost for words immediately you hit the record button, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be diving into a topic that so many of you have been asking about: how to overcome shyness on camera and look confident while delivering your message. First of all, let's acknowledge the fact that feeling nervous and shy on camera is absolutely normal. Even your most seasoned presenters started from somewhere. Those creators that you look up to started from somewhere. My very first video on this platform was cringe. I don't even want to go into details, but yeah. So here are my top tips to help you overcome shyness and shine on camera. Tip number 1. Preparation. Preparation is key. If you're just starting out, then learn to plan your content. Learn to plan whatever you want to say. Write down the key points or even script out your videos. It makes things really easy. And it also helps you stay on track. Having a clear outline of what you want to say or the message you want to deliver is going to keep you from getting lost for words. Tip number 2, practice, practice, practice. Of course, we all know that practice makes perfect. So you can spend your time rehearsing your lines in front of a mirror, or you can just record yourself a few times to get comfortable. Now, what I do is I record myself doing nasty things, doing weird things, so I get comfortable. I know that you guys are listening to what I have to say, so why am I scared? The more you practice, the more you talk in front of the camera, the more natural it will eventually feel. Tip number 3, focus on your audience. Remember that you're speaking to real people. Remember that you're speaking to people that are really interested in what you have to say. Having that mindset is going to change the game for you entirely, because when you know that you're speaking to people that are listening to you and what you have to say, it's not going to feel so weird speaking to your links, because right now I'm speaking to my links. I can't see you guys, but I know that you guys can see me. Imagine that you're talking to your friend rather than a camera lens. That mental shift is going to reduce anxiety. You're not going to feel anxious when you do that. Imagine how you talk to your friends. Imagine how you talk to your sister. When you're passing a message to your friend, how do you speak? When you want them to really listen to you, how do you talk? Talk to us like that. Then you find out that it's going to be more engaging. The delivery is going to be more smooth and really authentic. Tip number 4, use body language. Now, I would have just said tip number 4, but when I say use body language, I mean tip number 4. So I'm trying to get really comfortable. Gestures, facial expressions like smiling, and posture, the way you compose yourself, plays a big role in overcoming shyness in front of the camera. If you feel like you would feel more confident standing, then stand. If you feel like you will feel more confident sitting down, then sit. You can use your hands to emphasize your point. And of course, smile. All these actions just makes it easier to look very confident, and also helps you feel confident. Not just looking confident, but you feel confident in yourself. Tip number 5, embrace mistakes. Remember that perfection isn't the goal. If you mess up, it's okay. Just laugh and keep going. When you're authentic, it resonates with your viewers more than the perfect delivery. You're looking for that perfect click. Videos that you are less composed might even blow up. Tip number 6, dress comfortably. Wear something that makes you feel confident and comfortable. If you're comfortable in your clothes, it's going to be easier to focus on the message rather than worrying about your appearance or the way you are looking on camera. Tip number 7, rather than speaking to teach, speak to share. Rather than just teaching, share your experiences, share your personal stories so your audience can relate to whatever you're trying to say. Tip number 8, fake it till you make it. You want to look confident, then act confident. No matter the circumstances you find yourself, if you want to look confident, then act confident. Even in front of the camera. Sometimes you don't even know where you're going to start from and when you're going to land. Act like you know what you're doing. You're definitely going to reach your goal. Number 8. Yeah, I think tip number 8, speed up your videos. If you feel like there's so much gaps in your videos, the pauses, the breath, and when you're trying to think of what word would fit what you're trying to describe, and you're staring, things like this, you're trying to take a break, speed up your videos. Cut out the pauses when you're doing your editing process. Just split out the pot, split out the breaths, and then boom, you have like a complete video of you knowing what exactly you're doing. And there you have it. These are my top tips for overcoming shyness and looking confident on camera. Remember that it's all about preparation, practice, and staying true to yourself. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. See you guys in my next video. Bye.